Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to install IPA files permanently on your iPhone with no computer, no Apple ID, and no certificate revokes? In this video, I'll show you how to install TrollStore, the ultimate app for permanent IPA installations on iOS 14 to iOS 17.0. No PC required and your apps stay for life even after restart. Let's get started. First, open applejr.xyz. Then click Install DNS. Click Allow, then install the config by going to Settings. Hit Profile Downloaded. Insert the passcode and click Install. Then go back to applejr website. Go to Tab Certificate, then click Install TrollStore. Once the app is installed, open it and tap TrollInstaller X. On this part, you have to verify the app first by going to Setting, General, VPN and Device Management. Then click Trust. Once the app trusted, go back to Home Screen and tap TrollInstaller X. Tap Install TrollStore, your device will respring. If you get an unsupported message saying that your device and iOS don't support installing TrollStore, it's because they don't work together. After rebooting, TrollStore will appear on your home screen. If it doesn't show, just reboot again. After that, you'll see TrollStore app on your home screen. Now open TrollStore, tap the plus icon, and select any IPA file from your Files app. You can now install apps like Delta Executor for Roblox, Emulator, and more, all without revokes, without resigning, and no PC needed. These apps are permanent, they survive restarts, and never get removed unless you do it yourself. See you in the next video!